Hey guys, Luck here. I want to do a quick video to show you how to replace a blade on your T-outline there and other ANDIS trimmers. And this time I'm going with an upgraded version from ProMate. I got the zero gap version, so it's all preset for you to have the closest cut possible for this blade. And it should be a little upgrade from the standard T-outliner blades. As you see, my new one broke. If you drop this on the ground, the metal will shatter. It is like high carbon steel, so very fragile, strong but fragile. So we're going to get this replaced. First I'll show you guys a close-up of this blade. It is two pieces, that's how they come. So if you do have a blade already and you just want to zero gap it, I do have a video for that. Easy way to do it yourself. Check the link below. But basically, zero gap means that you're as closest to the edge as possible here without, getting to the cutting blade to hurt you. But it has a cool gold finish. So we'll get this installed. It's very simple. It's just these two screws we're going to loosen up. And that's our two-piece blade. It sits on here. So that's the piece that's going to go over this rubber piece right here. Make sure that this is lined up. You don't want it sticking out on the edges here. You want it even. And once you have that lined up, we're going to line it up with the rubber. And now we just reinstall the screws. And here it is all installed. It looks really cool. And even on the edges, so nothing overlaps and cuts me. And now let me test this out. I'll show you guys some cutting action. Alright guys, now I'm going to show you the new blade in action. Getting rid of this beard. So as you guys can see with the current setting, it's a pretty close cut. But I feel like it could actually be zero gapped a little more, so I might try it out. But if you want to know how to do that, just check out my video link below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and follow for more.